I saw Member Dawes, member from St. Catherine Southeast. Thanks.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I take note of the debates and of all that was said. The one thing I agree with the member from Trelawney South is that an overhaul of the standing committee, of the standing orders, will not solve the problems that we face in the House, where meaningful debate is overshadowed breed of politicians in almost a derogatory way. I consider myself a new breed of politician, but I tend to think of a different mindset in thinking why I consider myself a new breed. Not that we tend to be disruptive. What the House and the Speaker and Jamaicans looking on should understand is that we are all students of Thoreau, and where one does not have power and those in control of the power do not offer justice, then the only alternative is civil disobedience. And I state this clearly. History has shown it throughout every independence movement. In the Westminster tradition of government, the government or ruling party extends courtesies to the opposition, not as charity, but as insurance. To understand that one day the majority will become the minority. Unfortunately, the government members of this House give the impression that they will be in government forever. And too many on that side of the House behave that way. But let me explain to you today and just end by saying, in the next general election, there is a possibility that the lucky among you will be sitting here and the unlucky will be sitting outside of the House.
Thank you very much, member from St. Catherine Southeast. The member from Portland Eastern. Yes, you are next, and then House Leader will close. And when I say, and then House Leader will close, and finally House Leader will close, I do not want to be misrepresented either here or on social media. The word final, as Hansard indicated when I last spoke, and I said the final question came from, and then Minister, the Deputy Prime Minister would speak. Hansard verified, I said final. And